We are on the way to Thonburi, and we're going by train through the Siam area. This is the BTS. You have to know the different lines so you won't get lost, and this is how it looks inside. You can buy ticket already from the machine. So now we're already entering, and hopefully we don't get lost, because this is the first time we're going to do this. Instead of taking a Grab, we're trying to avoid the traffic jam, and Berna is knowledgeable when it comes to train. So here are the people coming out as we go inside, and we're lucky it's still early, not really early morning, but just before lunch, so there's not much people there. Oh, there's a nice garden here in Chatuchak. Imagine how we ended up in Chatuchak just to get the blue line. So we're trying it out. So now Berna has to stand up because it was quite full, and we are ready to get out of the train station and catch a Grab going to Thonburi. Wow, we finally arrived. This place is very, very far from Bangkok. Just to eat seafoods at Thonburi Market. It's beside the McDonald's with a temple on the entrance. Okay, so let's explore the seafoods area. Yes, this is very, very famous because there's so many seafoods according to Google. So we need to find where the seafoods market is located. So far, these are the fruits that I can see. Oy, nako, nagpapalibre si Madam Berna. Hindi naman bumili. Oh. Iba lasa? Oh, okay. Paano yung fruits dito? Kanina parang mga restaurants, pero we came here for the seafoods. Ito, favorite durian mo, Berna, oh. Siguro mura dito kasi palengke to eh. Ito gusto ko, coconut. Yan ang healthy drink, coconut. Ayan, bumili na tuloy si Berna Baron ng coconut imbis na durian. Oy, ang daming fruits. Ay nako, nakita ko yung aking paboritong isda, si tilapia. Ayan, ayan ang masarap. Ang presyo niya 180 to 240. Depende, ito talaga ang masarap, tilapia. Lalo na pag bagong luto. Pero hindi na pinunta namin eh. We're going for the river prawns. Yes, yung river prawns doon yata banda, Berna, doon banda, ayun na yata yung mga seafoods Yes. Ito na pala mga seafoods na to. Oh wow, grabe, naka-aquarium pa. Sus Mariosep. Wow, no wonder people come here because of the so much live seafoods. Ngayon, what we're looking for are the river prawns. Takbo, sos Mariosep. Look at that. Oh, wow. Uy, tingnan mo naman yung lapu-lapu. Giant lapu-lapu na yun Ito, giant river prawns, Berna, 850 per kilo. How many pieces? Para malaman ko lang.
5 kilo.
How many pieces? 5 pieces?
Yes.
Oh, 5 piraso daw. Okay, 5 piraso. Oh, ito pa daw mas malaki. Kasi ito mas maliit. Ito mas malaki. Itong magandang giant river sea prawns. Mas mahal nga lang, 1,390. Ito, mura. 850 lang kasi maliliit. Oo nga naman. Pero kung buhay, mas mahal pa. Kung buhay. Yeah, mantis, yeah, but I like this one better. But anyway, I'll look around first, ah. Wow. Lahat ng favorite ko nandito, pero ang mahal, oh. Ay, this one very big, oh. How much per kilo this one?
Kilo 1,500.
Huh? How much?
1,500.
1,500. How many pieces?
2 feet.
2 pieces? 1,500. Grabe. Okay. Ay, ito na naman paborito ko.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, also good, ah. Grabe talaga rito sa Thornbury. Kanya naman pala sikat na sikat ito. Ito buhay 600. Pero mas maliliit. Ano yan? Per kilo ba yan? 550. Wow. Sobrang daming isda rito. Ibang klase. Dito, mga patay na. Kanya pag patay na, mura na eh. Siyempre, oh. Tamo, 400 lang ang presyo. Iba talaga pag patay na, oh. Siyempre, pag patay na yung mga binibili mo, medyo mura na yan. Okay. How come this one cheaper? This one here. How come only 600? This one.
How many fish?
No, this also river prawns, right?
Yes.
How come 600? How many pieces? How many?
Pieces.
Huh?
9 fish.
9 pieces?
Yes.
How come cheaper? How come it's cheaper? Because smaller, no?
This side.
Ah, smaller. Okay. Okay. Ito si mother, oh. Enjoy kumakain. Ito, wow, grabe dito, Berna. Oh, lala. Tingnan mo naman yan. Umuusok-usok pa, oh. Ha? Ang problema, nakakalito na. Hindi mo na alam kung saka bibili rito. Sa dami. Wow. Grabe. Tingnan naman yung lobster na yan. Kalaki naman yung lobster na yan, oh. Ito, medyo mas mura-mura itong lapu-lapu na yan. Yung kulay brown, medyo mas mahal yan. Wow, grabe. You can be here every day eating pala seafoods. Yun nga lang, ang hirap magpunta. Kasi nga, malayo. Wow. Kakalito na. Ang problema, hanap pa ng mura. Pinaka-safe yung buhay. Ito, mura, 450 lang, oh. Ba't mas mura siya rito, oh? 450 lang. Ito nga lang, 400, oh. Alam ko na, kasi mas maliliit. Okay. Ito, mga patay na. Pag patay na, lalong mas mura na. So, grabe itong Thornbury. Ito, scallops. Pag patay na, mura-mura na. 180. How much is this? How much? 180. Okay, patay na kasi. Pagka medyo buhay pa yung scallops, medyo mas mahal na. Ito, kamukha nito. This river prawns, right? Yeah, pero natawa siya tuloy. Yan. Natawa siya. Kasi yung mga talaga, yung mga taga-Thailand, konti yung marunong mag-English, eh. Ayan, ang daming buhay, 750, oh. Pwede kaya tumawad rito? Uso kaya tawaran dito? Ayan si Berna. Uy, ang daming kumakain, oh. Salmon sashimi. Oh, wow. Sos Mariosep. Ang laki nitong palengke na to, Berna. Sobrang laki. Ito, magandang tignan, no? Ito, si mantis shrimp. Nakain ko na yan. Masarap din yan. Pero ang pinunta ko rito, ang pinunta ko talaga rito is river prawns, eh. Pero lalaki ng mantis shrimp niya. Tanong natin ang presyo, ah. How much, mantis shrimp, how much per kilo? How much?
3,500.
3,500.
Yeah.
How many pieces?
4 pieces.
4 pieces. Mahal nga. Oh, eto. Ang gaganda naman mga niya. Mga kanya mga aquarium. Oh, ayan, nagmamakaawa na sila pala po makalabas, oh. Oh, wow. Ito siguro ang kulay nito mas. How much per kilo? How much per kilo? Yeah. Ha? How much?
2,800 1 kilo.
2,800 per kilo.
Yeah.
This half kilo or 1 kilo?
Yeah, half kilo.
Half kilo, that one.
Only one.
Ah, okay. All right. What about this one? How much per kilo? This one. This one, how much per kilo?
Five.
That's more expensive?
800.
Huh?
801. 801.
800.
Yeah.
More cheaper.
What's your price?
More cheaper?
Yeah.
Ah, more cheaper than that one there?
No.
Oh, this 800.
Yeah.
So more cheaper.
I know.
Huh?
I know.
Ah, you don't know. Ah, okay. Hindi kami nakakaintindihan. Okay. Okay. This is such a big market here in Bangkok. So much seafoods to choose from. And mostly, uy, may shark ah. Oh, that's a shark inside. Oh, wow. It's a shark inside. Okay, oh, mga kumakain. Ang dami lang kumakain dito. Wow. Panay buhay. Panay buhay. Kahit malayo sa Bangkok, dinadayo. Ito, hindi na to seafoods, pero wow naman. Grabe yan. Ang sarap naman ng baboy na yan. Ibang klaseng luto naman yan, no? Wow. Medium rares. Ah, panay steak naman dito. Mas mura pa yung steak kaysa sa seafoods. Kasi seafoods kasi talaga buhay eh. Ah, laki nitong tangburi na to. Kakalito. Oh, ito si Berna kumakain pa rin. Ha? Let's go. Ah, you're still eating, Mama Berna? Okay, so balik tayo sa seafoods market. Wow. Dapat pag nagpunta ka talaga ng Bangkok, you're not supposed to miss this place called Thongburi. Ibang klase dito. Daming choices. So many choices of food. I don't know where they're coming from, but there's a lot of locals and tourists here. Ito, niluto na siya ng shrimps. Ayun, may Peking duck din pala, oh. Berna, may Peking duck. Yan, kung ano ng seafoods, meron din siyang duck. Alright, nakasabit. Tanong natin, how much is one whole duck? How much? One whole duck, how much? Ah, nadyan ang presyo. Ah, okay. Ang ganda ng decoration nito, oh. Merong crab sa taas. Galing. Nice decoration. Saan ang gusto mong orderin, Berna?
Hindi yan, yung line.
Ito gusto mong orderin? Isda yan. Ito, pagka ganitong mga frozen na, medyo mas mura-mura. Oh. Ayan, oh. Iba na presyo niya. Mas mura-mura na siya. Pagka frozen na, oh. Yun. Dito, sa kapitbahay na, ito, medyo mas mahal na to. Siyempre, ano na to eh, buhay na eh. Isipin mo, anong oras na? 2 o'clock na. Ang dami pa rin gustong kumain. Ayan, umupo na si Berna. Ay, upo ako dyan, ihanap ka. Ako upo dyan. Oh, wow. Ano itong binili mo, Mama Berna? Ano yan? Tom Yum. Gusto kumain ni Mama Berna ng Tom Yum dito sa food court ng Thonburi. Ayan, may kasama pa siyang drinks. And it's piping hot. Hopefully it's good and spicy. Ito mga katabi ko, panay shrimps ang kinakain. Wow. Mga shrimps. At si Berna naman. Tom Yum. Okay, tigiman time. Ano masarap? May init? Masarap, Berna? Okay. Yan, river prawns pa lang nasa loob niyan, Berna. Oh, wow. Ilang river prawns kaya yan? Ha? Oh, marami naman. Lakas kumain ng mga bisita rito. Oh. Let's go, Berna. Ayan, masarap yan. Flatfish. Oh, laking alimango. Uy, mga nakakulong yung mga kaibigan ko. Laki naman ng lobster na yan. Ano? Okay na? Oh, wow. May chandelier. Itong market. Look at that. Ba, what a food market. Panay chandeliers pala dito. High-end.